It's 6:15, and within the next few weeks, you could head to downtown Tampa, rent yourself a bicycle, and ride all over town if you'd like. Or if you live downtown, you could rent a bike and ride to work. The city's bike share program is almost up and running.
You know, I'm a college student on a college budget.
Allegra Marrione walks to work every day.
It would be really convenient if I had a bike that I could ride to and from work. It's a half-hour walk. It'd be a much shorter bike ride.
Soon, she'll get her wish. The racks for the city's new Coast Bike Share program are going up, and soon she'll be able to rent one of these bikes and just coast on into work or class. Coast Bike officials tell me it may be mid-October or even sooner.
We've got to build out all next week, maybe a little bit past that, and then we've got a little bit of testing. And once we're complete with those three items, we're ready to go.
The bikes will be for rent by the hour, by the month, or by the year. Once the bike share program is up and running, there will be about 300 of these bicycles throughout downtown Tampa, Ybor City, and Channelside. Now, the annual fee for this is about $79 per year. That is about 21 cents a day. All of the plans include 1 hour of riding time per day, and overage fees are $2.50 for every additional 30 minutes.
This is a great way for the city to become a little more pedestrian friendly. It's going to slow people down, enable people to stop on a moment's notice to jump into a coffee shop, to say hi to a friend.
Mayor Bob Buckhorn is excited about the bike share program, too.
I think it will lend itself to the hipness and the coolness of what has become our downtown.
Especially for people like Marrione, who will soon be able to walk to one of these stations, grab a bike, and cycle all the way to work.